Underground. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. You're okay.
You shut up.
Were you at Taco Bell?
Do it look like I was at Taco Bell? Do it look like I got some Taco Bell?
Were you there before?
Do it look like I got some Taco Bell?
Were you there before?
Was you there?
On June 16, 2024, officers responded to a vandalism call outside a Taco Bell where a rock shattered the front window.
How you doing, ma'am? What's going on today? Tell me. I'm coming to ask you.
I'm gonna ask me shit. I don't know shit.
You don't know shit?
I don't know nothing.
Why not?
Stand down. Come on, baby.
Yeah. What was going on at Taco Bell?
What?
What happened at Taco Bell?
I don't know. Tell me what happened at Taco Bell.
Trying to figure it out. That's why I'm asking you.
From the very first moment, this wasn't just a conversation, it was a collision course.
Well, what about taking your hands out of your pockets?
Do I gotta take my hands out of shit?
Take your hands out of your pockets.
I don't gotta take my hand out of shit.
You do.
No, I
Take your
don't.
hands out of your pockets.
No, I don't.
You got anything on you? Any weapons? Ma'am, do me a favor. Take your hands out of your
I gotta
pockets.
take my hands out of my pocket.
Look at
The officers remain calm, trying to defuse, but she's already made her decision.
you. We're here. We're investigating if you caused damage to Taco Bell. Okay? They said that you were here at the bus stop. And they gave us your description. So that's why we're here. Okay? I don't want to be here talking to you, but if there's something going on with Taco Bell and they're calling us, I have to talk to you, okay? Ma'am, what's your name? Ma'am, what's your name?
We all got to give me your name. What was you doing? Standing on the bus stop?
I get that, but what were you doing before?
No, what was y'all doing before?
I was patrolling, doing my job. Well, what were you doing?
What you mean what I'm doing?
Were you at Taco Bell?
Do it look like I was at Taco Bell? Do it look like I got some Taco Bell?
Were you there before?
Do it look like I got some Taco Bell?
Were you there before?
Was you there?
Were you there before, yes or no? All right. Listen, ma'am, I just need to get your name and your information.
Oh, you ain't getting nothing.
Okay. Well, we'll figure it out one way or the other.
Yeah, we sure will.
Okay.
Who's our caller?
Call us Taco Bell.
This is where it all breaks wide open. A belt becomes a weapon, and the officers know it's go time.
She's got a belt on this guy. 95? All right. Did you get the...
When's the last time you used drugs?
You got that belt on, ma'am? If you swing that belt, it's going to be an issue, okay?
They did that to right here. Now touch me. Now touch me. Now touch me.
You did what?
Come here. Metal parts at the end. Be careful.
Oh, there's traffic.
So listen, you're under arrest. Yeah. Got your back for us? Can you come over here? Don't do it. Don't do it. Underground. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. You're okay. Give us your hands.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
Dude trying to hit you
Stop.
with that belt.
Stop.
Yeah, you mess.
Stop.
Damn.
She swings, she bites, she screams, and somehow they still try not to escalate.
Get the taser out.
Now watch what she do. Do it. Now watch what she do.
Okay, right now.
Tase me and watch what she do.
Stop squeezing my hand and pressing your nails into me.
Do it. Do it. Tase her. Yeah, y'all ain't weak as the my mama. Yeah, your mama. Do it, your ass nigga. They gonna take them off.
Again.
We're going to roll?
Yep. Work from here. So 1, 2, 3. You gotta let go of that hand.
Oh, that way?
Okay. We're gonna go here inside. Ready?
Yeah, do it. Watch
1,
what this do.
2, 3. Stop. Roll.
I'm not trying to get bit, though.
We'll come. More time for you.
Oh, so you gonna knock these niggas, watch.
It's okay.
Yeah, I know. That's why you, hey, that shit didn't even work, did it?
Please don't spit on me.
Shut up, blind ass nigga. Shut up, bro.
You got to spit us?
Shut up, bitch. Get up.
Stop. Don't spit on me. Stop. Spit.
Ass nigga, do it again.
Stop.
She spits in their faces. hurls slurs. This isn't resistance, it's pure, boiling defiance.
We're gonna need a female for a search, but I think we'll just do it at the station.
Yeah,
No, if you got no weapons right here that we can see. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. I don't want you to have anything in your shoes.
Yeah. Damn. But they get off of it.
Are those your bags?
Yeah. Yo, don't be nasty fucker. No. That's why they beat your ass. Get off of her, nigga. You holding her face up. Get the fuck up.
Your front pocket?
Ass, nigga. Get off her face. Ass. Whack your ass, nigga.
Trying to fight?
Stop lying, you ass nigga. She'll still be spitting.
Relax.
Shut up, liar. Get off her.
I'm trying to help you right now.
You ain't trying to do nothing. Get off her face, then. Who ass?
Don't kick! Wow.
Even restrained, the venom pours out. Verbal warfare to the bitter end.
Kick base, kick juice, kick juice.
Yeah, touching her the wrong way, nigga. Touching her the wrong way, nigga. Touching her the wrong way, nigga. Keep touching her.
We're not doing this. We're not doing this. It's in the back of the car. We got it. We got all your stuff. Don't kick.
Where my stuff at? We're gonna get all your stuff back. Yeah, that's no good. We're gonna get this stuff back. Yo ass. Hey Jim, remember his face. Remember his face. Off his shit.
Don't kick. Stop kicking.
Do it. Come on. Yo ass, nigga. Ass. Step on her again. Keep squeezing. You shut up.
Please stop.
Yeah, shut the fuck. Keep putting my hand. Touch her, bro. Keep squeezing my hand.